Hello children, we have done worksheet in chapter measurements in the previous class, up to previous class. Now we are going to enter into the new worksheet chapter, shapes and patterns. This is worksheet 1, shape and patterns. What are the shape and patterns? Okay. Take your worksheet textbooks, worksheet books. Go into the chapter shapes and patterns in mathematics. Okay. I am going into the first bit A. So I am entering into the first bit A. Tick the correct answer. What is that? Tick the correct answer. How many corners are there in circle? Before entering into the worksheet, let me brush your basics. See here. We know the shapes and patterns. We have 4 shapes. What are they? Triangle, triangle, and next square. Write down this in your class notes. Square. Next, rectangle. The opposite sides are equal. What is this? Rectangle. Next, circle. What is this? Circle. Okay, see here. We call a corner if 2 lines are joining. We call it as a corner. What is the corner? Two lines joining. Place we call it as corner. See here. Here 2 lines are joining at some point. That we call it as a corner. See here also. This line and this line joining at here. That we call it as a corner. And here. This is a corner. So how many corners triangle have? 3 corners. Here 3 corners. Triangle have 3 corners. What are the sides? Sides are the line. Joining these 2 corners we call it as a line. Side. Joining these 2 corners, a line joining that 2 corners we call it as a side. So this. We have 3 sides. We have 3 sides. Here we go into the square. And here one line joining, here one line joining. We have a corner. And here joining. Corner 2. Corner 3. Corner 4. How many corners? 4 corners. 4 corners. Sides are you must remember this. A line joining 2 points we call here in the shapes. We call it as a side. And about the corner we have 2 lines joining at some Sorry, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 right? 4 sides. Now triangle, which is quite different, not quite different, completely different from this 3. See here, triangle will be like, circle will be like joining, but same as this 2 point joining straight line, but here it will be curved. Here it will be curved, not straight line. It will be curved. Very, very near points. Very, very near points it will be curved. So, circle doesn't have any sides, any corners. Circle doesn't have any corners and sides. This here we have a corner joining some places. We have straight lines, but in a circle we will be like this. In circle it will be like this. It will be joining very, very, very near points, but it will join in the curved way, very near, like this. So, it doesn't have any sides and corners. Okay, see here. Here we have all equal sides in the square. Square, if it is a square, a figure is a square, then all sides are equal. All sides are equal. All sides are equal. If a figure is a rectangle, opposite sides are equal. See here. I draw this 2 and this 3. These 2 sides are equal, these 3 sides are equal. Yet don't say this one. Everyone is different. I didn't say this all equal. If it may be, but it is not now they are discussed. And in rectangle, if a figure is a rectangle, then must and should the opposite sides are equal. That is same length. Opposite sides are of same length. What is the equal? Equal means opposite sides are equal means they having the same length. Please write it down. Yeah, writing you can directly do in the worksheet 1. I do have it here. You can see me, right? Yeah. See the A bit first one. How many corners are there in the circle? You people know it because I have discussed. If you are very concentrated in the class, you will know it. So, write it down by yourself. How many sides are there in a square? Write it down by yourself. How many circles are there in a given figure? See, how many circles are there? There is a bigger circle in the outer side. And again smaller circle inside. And furthermore smaller circle inside. This is, they are having how many circles there? 3 circles. So, third one is, what is the option there? C. C having the 3. They are having the number 3. So, that is the correct answer. Tick it right. How many? Count and write. How many? They gave a circle figure. They said how many circles are there? Count it and just write it down. And next square. Count it down and just write down. And rectangle. You should be very thorough with this. rectangle. Draw lines to match the objects with their shapes. Yeah, these are the all shapes, only shapes. And next we will go into the solid shapes. What are the solid shapes? In the next class I will discuss the solid shapes, and you have to know the spellings of this also. You have to know the spellings of this also very thoroughly. To do any, while writing, if you can't spell or you can't spell on the sheets, it will be wrong. So you have to learn the spellings properly. And thank you children. And the homework is complete your worksheet.